king sealed up the stone. With a trembling hand, Daniel stood alone in the shadowed land, a pit full of teeth below, a prayer still in his chest. But you were already there before the stone was set. You heard the lion's breath, and you had not left yet. In the lion pit, you kept him whole. In the lion pit, you held his soul. You shut the mouths, you broke the fear. My God is here. My God is here. At dawn, the king ran down, calling Daniel's name. Did your God come through? Are you still the same? And Daniel rose with peace, not one bone was torn. He said, my God sent help and sealed the night of war. The lions knew his hand, and they could not take more. In the lion pit, you kept him whole. In the lion pit, you held his soul. You shut the mouths, you broke the fear. My God is here. My God is here. When the stone feels heavy and the dark feels near, when I hear the